Hey there, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to San Diego Market Movers Question of the Week. I have Deva Edelman joining me today.
Hi.
Hey, we're talking all things great deceleration. Wow,
Yes.
what a word.
What a word.
term.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're talking about this great deceleration. Now it has a term. They've named it, like everything else. And I want to talk about whether or not you think it's going to impact San Diego housing. What do you think?
Absolutely, yes. I mean, I track the market very closely in multiple zip codes and across San Diego County. I've been watching it like everybody else has. And, what I'm seeing now really kind of reminds me of the feeling that was in the air back in 2007, where all of a sudden things just stopped. People believe that it's just going to keep on going, and I don't really see anything that's going to change anything. But then guess what? Buyers can decide to just stop buying.
Right.
and that's
just like that.
Just like that.
Right.
And with the rate hikes that have happened, and sort of uncertainty in our national economy, the global situation. I mean, there's just a lot of uncertainty out there right now, and it does seem to be causing this great deceleration that you're referring to.
It's insane.
Yeah.
It's like literally, I say overnight, but it was just a matter of like a few weeks time span.
It really was, because I was watching, I do a lot of, video vlogging, podcasting, whatever you want to call it. And I was watching active inventory and pending inventory. And over the last several months, I've been watching that active number get closer and closer to the number of pendings, because across the county we were having, this many active and this many pending, and they just kept shrinking. And then it was, I think maybe 3 weeks ago on a Friday when I noticed, boom, there's less pending than there is.
And a lot of active.
Less pending than active. And
Right.
I've been saying all year long, when this happens, things are going to change. So I've been talking about this shift that's happening, and now it's definitely leading into a change, which is absolutely going to affect pricing. I mean, I would definitively say that we have seen peak pricing is in the rearview mirror, and now who knows where it has to fall to in order to catch these buyers that are now paying more every month for their housing payment.
Right, because his mortgage rates jumped too, so they're
Yeah.
paying more on that.
Yep.
Well, I appreciate your feedback. It's positive. I think it can be a positive thing. I don't think we have to look at this negatively unless
No.
you're one that's trying to sell your home right now and you
Right.
missed the mark.
Right.
But it's definitely a lot more positive. We do need to have more of a balanced market.
For sure.
I think we're going to see a little bit more coming into that.
Yeah, and that's what's happening now. In the stock market, I think they'd call this a shakeout. Where we're just sort of seeing the fallout from the previous market entering into the new market, which I believe will be more normal. And it's not completely horrible news for sellers. Prices are still, way higher than they were even last year. So, I mean,
Yes.
you're still going to get a great price for your home.
Yes.
But if you're a buyer, you're going to have a lot more choices and a little bit more leverage, likely, on negotiations.
Okay, well, there you go. That's positive news. So
Absolutely.
thank you so much for answering my question today
Not a problem.
at San Diego Market Movers Question of the Week.